Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the details of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to inquire and checking in the property except major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. For booking or more details, follow the description link.